Just imagine, you're scrolling through social media, and there it is. Another story of someone your age buying their dream house, traveling the world, or building their business. Meanwhile, you're wondering why you're still struggling to make ends meet. Ever feel like you're missing something? You're not alone. Most of us make financial mistakes that silently sabotage our future wealth. But here's the good news. It's not too late to fix them. Stick around and I'll reveal the 5 biggest financial traps to avoid and how steering clear can set you on the path to financial freedom. Quick question. Have you ever bought something online, convinced it was a deal, only to regret it the next day? Don't worry, we've all been there. But that's just one of the traps we'll cover today. Let's face it, financial freedom isn't just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. And while the world bombards us with get-rich-quick schemes and Instagram-worthy lifestyles, the truth is much simpler. Avoiding the wrong moves can be just as powerful as making the right ones. So, let's dive into mistake number 1. Mistake 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. First up, living paycheck to paycheck. It's a trap nearly 60% of Americans fall into. Why? Because we're spending as fast as we're earning. But here's the catch. If you don't control your money, it will control you. The fix? Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. You'll be shocked at where your money's really going. Pro tip, pay yourself first by saving at least 20% of every paycheck before touching the rest. Think that's tough? Wait until you hear about mistake number 2. It's the silent killer of your financial future. Mistake 2 is delaying investing. Here's a sobering thought. Every year you wait to invest could cost you thousands in lost compound interest. Think of investing as planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the more it grows. Even $50 a month in an index fund could grow into tens of thousands over time. So, when's the best time to start? Yesterday. The second best time? Today. Speaking of planting trees, have you ever tried keeping a house plant alive? Investing is easier, I promise. Next is overspending on things that don't add real value to your life. Yes, I'm talking about the daily $7 coffee habit, endless subscriptions you forgot about, or impulse shopping sprees. These little expenses add up over time and rob you of your future wealth. Instead, ask yourself, does this bring me long-term value? If not, skip it and put that money toward your goals. But here's a mistake most people don't even realize they're making. It's costing them thousands every year. Mistake 4 is ignoring high-interest debt, like credit cards. Think of debt as a leak in your financial bucket. You can pour in all the money you want, but if the leak isn't fixed, you'll never get ahead. Start by tackling high-interest debt first, using the snowball or avalanche method. The faster you pay it off, the sooner you can redirect that money toward building wealth. Here's a thought: if credit card companies were people, they'd be the kind of friends who borrow $20 and never pay you back. And finally, mistake 5, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical bills, car repairs, they happen to everyone. Without a safety net, these can send you straight into debt. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account. Trust me, your future self will sleep a lot better. Now, you might be thinking, avoiding these mistakes sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's the takeaway. Building wealth isn't just about making the right moves. It's about avoiding the wrong ones. Start by creating a budget, prioritizing investments, and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Remember, every step you take now brings you closer to the financial freedom you dream of. Imagine waking up one day without financial stress, just confidence, security, and the freedom to live life on your terms. That future isn't just possible, it's waiting for you to claim it. So, what are you waiting for? If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and mastering your finances. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Don't miss out. I will see you next time. Till then, as usual, be positive.